Welcome to Cartoon Shop. Let's read a book. Let's read a book. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. We are going shopping. We are going shopping. It's time to study. It's time to study. Finish your food. Finish your food. Wear your uniform. Wear your uniform. Wash your feet. Wash your feet. Put your clothes in the laundry. Put your clothes in the laundry. Go to bed now. Go to bed now. Help me wash the dishes. Help me wash the dishes. Come in. Come in. Wake up. Wake up. Be happy. Be happy. Come downstairs. Come downstairs. Clean up the room. Clean up the room. Will you eat this? Will you eat this? Get ready. Get ready. Are you okay? Are you okay? Take a bath. Take a bath. Go and play. Go and play. What is this? What is this? Go and study. Go and study. Don't yell. Don't yell. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.